Hi there. Today I'm going to show you a simple at-home shoulder massage. Grab a rolled towel or pillow and let's get started. For extra comfort, place the rolled towel and a pillow underneath the shoulder. Start at a necklace line where neck meets the shoulder. Work outward slowly to soften tension. Use fingertips or forearm to press gently. Hold and release for a few seconds. Now the outside border. This area may feel tender or ticklish. Go slow. With the palm gliding or finger massage outside the border and across the muscle. Use your palm to push and pull over the shoulder and blade. Move to the inside border along the next shoulder line. Use fingertips. Run across the border along the line. Or gently thumb press along the border. Glide palm on top of the shoulder blade, along the outside border, and on top of the shoulder. Move slowly to release deeper layers. Finally, rotate your shoulders slowly, forward, backward. Feel the tension melt. For a complete guide to at-home massage and self-care routines, download my free ebook. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.